Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4S 13, stepping on shit to this pride. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open this.
Okay, bitch, stand on that. Good morning, y'all. So, it is currently 10:50 on Sunday, April 13th. Let's see if y'all can actually see it. Ooh, y'all can. Oh, no, it's not. Why do I always do that? It's not Sunday, it's Saturday. Anyways, today is freaknik. And it's rodeo themed this year, y'all. And so I got my whole little outfit. I got my little hat, some boots, a belt, a tie, some shorts. You know, the whole little 1-9. But y'all gonna see that. I'm just gonna bring y'all along with that with me. Y'all gonna come to freaknik with me. Y'all gonna see all the befores, all that. And y'all, my friends is back in town. My friends from the birthday vlog. These bitches look crusty right now. Let me show y'all them. Y'all got clothes on?
Yeah, I got clothes on. Oh, don't give me, please.
She looks a mess. She looks a mess.
Oh, fucking gosh. Get on. That shit. On.
Bitch, don't even. No.
Yeah, y'all, we finna have so much fun today. And
make some noise, y'all. What the fuck?
Y'all, I ain't talked to y'all in a minute, but I'm sorry. I just been all over the place trying to get ready, but y'all don't know I look good. Okay, but this is the look. Ooh. And I got no cowboy boots. Post my thumbnail. Now we gotta do her. I'm filming a video. Look, I'm gonna show y'all.
Just like steady.
No, you gotta walk through, do like a little 1-2, look cute, and then walk back out this way.
Yeah, I'm too good.
We finna get ready to go. I need food. I have not ate all day. It's about to be 3 o'clock. What time is it?
It's already 3.
3 what?
3:03.
Okay.
So
it's basically time to go. We're doing good though.
This is our first time ever.
I didn't say I was going. We was gonna go to a probate. Our friend is crossing, so we're finna go to his probate, and then after that we're going to freaking.
Hold on, get your shit.
Yeah, this is everybody. Jada.
Winster.
2024 freaknik.
Dim. Period. Oh, it's hot, y'all.
Burn the fuck up.
Y'all know. Go sexy. Gotta get a door seat.
That's crazy.
Y'all, we are here at the school, finna go into the probate. We taking shots
I
in the
just
car.
took a shot of Don Julio and that shit hurt. Y'all want to see a real asshole?
Fuck
Ooh,
your
let
dirty ass.
Ooh, wait.
Oh, yeah!
The diamonds, they hit like a rainbow. That's cause the necklace of Frank. Her. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines.
Mama,
Been in the skies.
mama, you ain't have to snap this hard on me. I mean,
They can be full of excuses, that like they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, you go to war with whoever ain't never been mine.
Cause that's one beautiful ass bitch. Hold on, turn around.
yeah. Hey vlog, y'all. So why we tried to go to freaknik right and they shut it down? The police don't like us, and I think the police is really being racist, because why is you shutting it down? We wasn't out there causing no commotion. We wasn't doing nothing wrong. You mad because a lot of black people congregated together? Like, what's the issue? Oh, yeah. Anyways, so, but they said that they out there parking lot pimping, so we finna pull back up and see what the word is, but I'm mad though, because I bought my little outfit, got my little cowgirl hat and shiznit, and I ain't even been able to, you feel me, be seen in it. But it's okay, we gonna go see.
None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn.
That hoo-hoo.
No motherfucking fun, that's how you do me, ho. Don't let me find out you with a groupie, ho. You gon' be with 2 when I come shoot up that studio. Boom, boom, boom.
We gotta walk over in that lot. Which
All the way across yonder.
Timbuktu. Well, I think the police over there. We gonna see. This ain't.
They done shut it down like 3 fucking times at this point.
You can't put black people out.
We about to walk over there.
My voice, I turn you on. Red weaving, match my song. He heard about me, know my song. Drop a Chris, can't leave me alone. Okay, Ehren.
Are you at Harvard?
With the booty. Yeah.
Yeah.
They got us walking down the street. They got me walking down the street with these heels on. What do I look like? But, yeah, you know. Big shit. This ain't Texas. Woo! He said get him on the vlog. Get him on the vlog.
Nah.
No boys allowed.
No boys allowed.
No boys allowed. No boys allowed. No boys.
The parking lot pimping outside of Kroger's is crazy.
This is how you know that people just do any fucking thing nowadays to have fun.
Let me tell my skirmy. No. Okay, we
Fucking here in the building. Book her. Book Ehren.
Don't vlog, what we doing? YouTuber, hold up. Damn, she fine as hell. What's your name?
Jayla Marie.
I said I'm not acting bougie. I just said no. What's wrong with that?
Hey gang. Y'all, I suck at vlogging. If y'all don't want to watch me no more, I understand. But I just be so in the moment. It be so hard. But y'all, we done came home, took showers, got redressed, and now we finna get ready to go to the club. This is my outfit. I'm finna get me some water because I'm thirsty. I'm dehydrated. But top, I was going like this little mesh legging types, and I'm put on some heels. This is the face, very valid. Yeah, I'm sleepy. I need like 30 minutes now. But we ain't got time for that. You too. Okay, bitch, stay on that. Hey, y'all. It is, what's today? I don't know what today is, but today is Tiger Fest. So, I was going to end that previous little section last weekend, but as y'all seen, it was a dud. We didn't have fun. So, I'm going to extend it to this weekend. This weekend's Tiger Fest. We getting ready now. We're gonna go out. I'm just finishing. You feel me? Doing my hair. Gotta do my edges. Y'all like my hair? Let me show y'all. You see it? 28 inches. I just like this little hair, and I've already had it in for a week, as y'all can see. I just ironed it out for the first time. Yeah, but I really don't know what we're doing today. We late. It's already like 3 o'clock. This stuff started at 2, and don't nobody really know what they wearing still. Everybody's getting ready and thinking about their outfits. Ooh, that was hot. Hold on, I'll be back. Like, I almost burnt my scalp trying to run out this leave out here. It's still not flat. Got a little hump. I can feel the curl. Not as flat as it could be. Put it like that. Y'all, this is the look. This top, these pants. Ignore my drawer, it broke. These pants and those shoes. Let me take pictures on my camera. Hey y'all, say hi to the vlog. Hey. Y'all, I'm out of breath. We just got out the car. We walking a Tire Fest. Walk a flock out there. I go hard in the motherfucking paint, nigga. Y'all, I'm out of breath. What these big?
I'm on my way to the West Bank to put a twist on this thing, you heard?
She working with something, I wanna slim fine woman with some twerk with her. She ain't got a lot of ass, but I can work with her. Came here to get it broke,
No, my Four Loko, I had a time.
I remember lightweight though. These can't get it, y'all. Yeah. Where they from? Victoria's Secret. She always yes.
In my t-shirt and my panties on.
In this fat ass bonnet.
This fat ass.
Every weekend. Every Sunday morning. Happy? Happy.
No.
Yeah, we got that Uncle Pat today.
Pat run.
Pat, Uncle Pat run.
I'm his favorite. You should have booty my booty, right? The fuck is that about? It's big though. They gon' ass back here, bitch. You better recognize. Bitch. You better recognize. Bitch. What? You got an ass so big like the sun. They be trying to out booty my booty. Like, fuck is that about? It's all good. Auntie! That's Gigi. She ain't even gang like we thought. We trying to give Auntie the little blizzy. She ain't really she was fucking with it, but it's okay, bitch. We trying to be generous. She was pacing. She trying to sit around with her. It's Nick. She's not getting that shit. You ain't gonna do it. You ain't getting no stronger. She looking for it. They got shit else for you. We got what the fuck is you doing? With no panties on your body. I know she ain't got no panties on. I ain't got no panties on. Ain't got no panties on. Okay, shut the fuck. Let's go. That's for you. That's for y'all. That's my friend. Oh, I shots at. I think some Ehren, we your shots at. Absolutely, I do. And then it's my cup right there. You ever run this in that fuck? Right there, cause you go. He gonna pop off that. I can't remember what. You ain't got it high. You ain't fucking for that cash. You ain't got it high. We all looking down. Look up. You ain't got it high. You ain't got it high, bro, bitch. You ain't got it high. You I'm just that backup dancer, right? Cause I don't know this one. You don't know this song? I know the. All you need is to get hit, cause these bitches they be fucking for that cash. And they ain't got it, goddamn.